Most U of T students are quite familiar with the food trucks on campus. A hot lunch with nearly 100 items to choose from for as low as $5 seems to be a perfect solution on a busy school day. However, with the more than 56,000 students on campus nowadays, there may be some drawbacks. First of all, because all lectures ends at exactly the same time, dozens of hungry students are showing up at exactly the same time. Here's what the lineup looked like at 11:50. Yeah, nobody. Everyone is still in the lecture room, hungry and falling asleep. But 20 minutes later, I believe this is a familiar sight for many students. If you happen to take a lecture in one of those rural buildings on campus, you're out of luck. Now you could leave early to avoid a lineup, but let's face it, would you leave early from a lecture just to get a $5 lunch? Another problem with the food truck is the ordering process. Even now, in 2016, food truck vendors are still taking orders by pen and paper, no matter how busy it is. Also, there's hardly a way to tell who ordered what. They would just remember faces or shout out names of the meal and see who comes to pick it up first. I mean, come on. This is happening in 21st century at the top ranked university. I wonder why no one is doing anything to help bring a little technology into this business. Lastly, for the vendors, because orders are taken by hand on a piece of paper, revenue calculations are also done at the end of each day by hand, probably with the help of a calculator. Now, I'm sure those Chinese vendors are pretty good with the math, but isn't there a more efficient way to do this? Now, now, with all those problems in mind, we believe we may have a solution. Leo will tell you more about it next.